It's a place where children run free.
Run.
Happiness and joy is where you'll be.
Where you'll be.
Come with me and see the beauty.
The beauty.
In this beautiful country. So come with me, let me show you what I mean. Everything is so me, Maori me. Kia kahata to kite tau toko. Inga mahi ata to matua tipuna. Oh, oh, yeah.
Whoa.
We're walking hand in hand, united we stand.
United we stand.
Look into my eyes and you'll be surprised.
You'll be surprised
of this beautiful culture.
Our culture. Tinoranga, Viratanga.
So come with me, let me show you what I mean. Everything is so me, Maori me. Kia kahata to kite tau toko. Inga mahi ata to matua tipuna. Oh, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful places and tattooed faces, the untouched spaces, the land of the long white cloud. Maori nation stand up proud. So come with me, let me show you what I mean. Everything is so me, Maori me. Kia kahata to kite tau toko. Inga mahi ata to matua tipuna. How beautiful the green, green grass. My home, my land, my people. Aotearoa. Thank you.
Let me take you to a place where this beauty as far as the eye can see. It is heaven on earth, the sand and the surf and the air is as fresh as can be. Come with me, let's go be caressed by the East Coast breeze, East Coast breeze.
It'll blow you away just as long as you stay here with me. In my East Coast breeze, oh, 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 oh.
Take my hand and we'll go to where the sun shines first, bringing mountains to their knees. And when it sets at night, always a shepherd's delight. Welcome to paradise.
Come with me, let's go be caressed by the East Coast breeze,
East Coast breeze.
It'll blow you away just as long as you stay here with me. In my East Coast breeze, oh, 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 oh. In my East Coast breeze, that's where you'll find me. Relaxing and chilling, I just let my worries fly away. Fly away. Come with me, let's go
go be caressed by the East Coast breeze.
Come with me,
Let's go be caressed by the East Coast breeze.
Let me tell you a love story.
Love story,
Of a queen looking for her king candy.
She looking.
Every step she takes, every move she makes ends up being a big mistake. Her chances are running away. My candy man, the one I dream of meeting at the end. My candy man, oh my candy man, yeah. She's wondering where could he be? Could he be underneath the gumdrop tree, or standing in the middle of the chocolate sea? Baby, waiting there for me. My candy man, the one I dream of meeting at the end. My candy man, oh my candy man, yeah.
So let me tell you how he got down that way. He thought he saw her walking down the Milky Way lane, until the chocolate monster jumped out the tree and grabbed the queen and took her to a place she never seen. He's wondering where could she be? I don't think she'll be looking at the gumdrop tree. Don't think she'll be looking for me in the chocolate sea. Maybe waiting in the tower for me. Yeah. Can you help me find her?
Oh, it's the Candyman can.
I think I found my girl.
Oh, it's the Candyman can.
The one that rocks my world.
Oh, it's the Candyman can. Oh, it's the Candyman can. Oh, it's the Candyman. Oh, it's the Candyman.
My candy
oh, it's the Candyman can.
girl.
Oh, it's the Candyman can.
My candy
Oh, it's the Candyman
girl.
can. Yeah. Baby, I'll wave goodbye. Wish you were here, holding me tight. This pain in my heart, it's hurting so hard. Baby, please don't go. Oh, tonight I'll be dreaming of you till my days are through, hoping that you are missing me too. And when you're alone and you feel so cold, just think of you and me underneath the moonlight. The moonlight, moonlight.
Girl, I won't be long, so don't let me go. I'll be thinking of you
just makes me wanna dance with you. Underneath the moonlight, the underneath the Okay, this is our last song, and this is called Snakes and Ladders. This song is about
Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah.
When you left me, I was feeling pretty down. Now that you're back, you've turned my life around. Oh, baby, please stop playing these silly games on me.
These silly games, yeah.
It's like a game of snakes and ladders that I'm losing. This relationship is just so confusing. Oh, baby, please stop playing these silly games. We're going up on the ladders, down on the snakes. 2 steps forward and 2 steps back. Oh, boy, you're driving me so crazy.
So crazy.
But I just can't seem to get you off my mind. I do 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 do. I do do do. I do 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 do. I do do do. It's like the dice is controlling our lives. When you tell me all your silly little lies. What kind of guy with this state of mind would turn around and say goodbye and leave you from behind?
We're going up on the ladders, down on the snakes.
2 steps forward and 2 steps back. Oh boy, you're driving me so crazy.
So crazy.
But I just can't seem to get you off my mind. I do 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 do. I do do do. I do 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 do. I do do do. I suppose we need to make a new beginning. At this time, celebrating Matariki. There's nothing like your shining light that makes my whole life bright. Make the 7 sisters shine.
I'll close my eyes, make a wish upon those 7 stars.
There's no more going up on the ladders or down on the snakes. 4 steps forward and no steps back. Oh, we're loving this so crazy.
So crazy.
But I just can't seem to get you off my mind. Off my mind.
Whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Off my mind.
Kia ora. Hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Big ups to Magic and Rob.